Good morning students, my name is Prashant Taide. Our class's name is Newton Global Science Academy. Here we are studying about the 8th standard point, and the point is what? The Whitaker's 5 kingdoms of classification. On which basis he had made the classification. See here, the first point is here, the complexity of the cell structure. Means which of the living organisms are here, they are divided into two parts. First one is the prokaryotic cells and second one is the eukaryotic cells. What is meant by the prokaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cells means cells it has no developed nucleus. Means it do not have the well developed nucleus, that is called as the prokaryotic cells. And eukaryotic cells means what? The cells which has the nucleus well developed, that is called as the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells means from this the new kingdoms has got to form. From the prokaryotic cells, unicellular has got to form the monera. The first kingdom has got to be formed by the prokaryotic cells, and second the monera is a eukaryotic unicellular. This monera is a prokaryotic unicellular animal cell it is. Okay, so now next is what? The complexity of the living organism. Means the second point is what? The complexity of the complexity in the organism. Okay, so on which basis the complexity is there? There is the unicellular and multicellular. The animals have divided into the two parts. First one is what? Unicellular, and second one is the multicellular. What is meant by the unicellular? The unicellular means the animal has a single cell. The animal has a single cell, that is called as the unicellular. Okay, the example was a unicellular is the amoeba, paramecium and euglena. Okay, so that are the unicellular. And the multicellular means what? The animals have a mini cell. The animals have a mini cell, that is called as the multicellular. Example is what? The example is the insects, human and the plants. These all are the examples of that the unicellular. From this the eukaryotic cells, second kingdom will be get to form, that is the protista. That is the protista. Maybe it is the uniform or the multicellular. Okay. Now third point is the mode of nutrition. The third point is what? Mode of nutrition. What is in that? The plants, fungi and to that the animals. The plants are the heterotropics. The plants are the heterotropics. What do you mean the heterotropics? The heterotropics means what? The plants they can make their own food. That is called as the heterotropics. Okay. The plants they can make their own food with the help of the chlorophyll. That is called as the heterotropics plants. Okay. And the fungi. Fungi are the saprotics. Fungi are the saprotic. What am I saprotics? The plants which they are depend on the dead animals, which they are the dead animals, that is called as the saprotic. Okay, so animals are the heterotropics. Animals are the heterotropics. Already we know the animals they cannot make their own food. The animals they cannot make their own food. Take example of us. We are also unable to make the food. We are also depend on the other. Why? Because we do not have the chlorophyll. Okay, so because of that animals are called as the heterotropics. Now fourth point, lifestyle. What is the fourth point? Lifestyle. In that what is the plants? Plants are the producer. Already we know that the plants they can make their own food. Because of that we say the plants are the producers. Animals are the consumer. Already we saw that. What? The animals they cannot make their own food. Because of that we are saying to them that is called as the consumer. They are depend on other. Okay, fungi are decomposer. They are getting to the mix with to that the other animals, that is called as the decomposer. Last point is what here? Polygenetic relationship. What is the polygenetic relationship? Here the unicellular animals to that the multicellular animals and the prokaryotic cell to that the eukaryotic cells. Means how they are getting to the form. Okay, so here we have studied about the Whitaker's 5 kingdoms classification. Okay, so I hope you have understood that understood these all points. Okay, if you have any problem then you can comment me. Okay, then now next our video will be there the monera. Thank you.